Here's how to make a troll face edit on CapCut PC. Start by selecting a video clip where you want to add the troll face effect. Move the playhead to the point where the subject is facing the camera and you want the effect to appear. At this moment, right-click on the video, hover on Edit, and click on Freeze to create a still frame, and trim any unnecessary parts, leaving only the main video and the freeze frame. Next, import the troll face image and add it to the timeline. Position it at the beginning of the freeze frame, adjust its duration to match the freeze, and resize, reposition, or rotate the image as needed to align it with the subject's face. After positioning the image, select both the freeze frame and the troll face image. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip to merge them into one element. This simplifies the editing process. To enhance the effect, go to the Effects panel and search for the Energy effect. Download it and drag it to the compound clip so that it creates a dynamic impact. It also includes a built-in shake. For additional customization, you can also search for the shake effect, adding it to the timeline and tweaking its settings for range and speed to suit your desired intensity. Once satisfied with the combination of effects, preview your edit. The troll face effect is now complete, ready to add flair to your video.